Hello and welcome to Chart to Crochet. I'm Angela from the Pattern Scribe and I'm really pleased you found your way here to me. Now, if you've clicked on this video because you've looked at a Mosaic Overlay Crochet chart and thought that looks far too complicated, or maybe where do I even start, then honestly you're in exactly the right place. Because I promise you this, reading a mosaic chart isn't as difficult as it first looks. Once somebody explains what all those little squares and symbols actually mean, everything starts to click into place. And that's exactly what this series is all about. A little bit about me. I'm a crochet designer based here in the UK and I specialise in mosaic overlay crochet and mostly blankets. I love designing blankets, cushions and home decor that probably look a bit complicated but are actually made one row at a time. Every pattern I create includes both a chart and full written instructions because I know everyone learns differently. Some people love following written instructions, some people much prefer working from a chart, and many crocheters like having both. Over the years, I've helped lots of people build their confidence with mosaic crochet, and now I'd love to help you too. So, what exactly is Chart to Crochet? Well, think of it as your free step-by-step course. We're going right back to the beginning. I'm not going to assume you already know anything. We'll build your confidence one lesson at a time. We'll cover things like what mosaic crochet actually is, how to read charts, understanding the symbols, how colour changes work, negative stitches, borders and finishing, common mistakes and choosing colours, and eventually even designing your own mosaic crochet patterns. So whether you're completely new to mosaic overlay or you've already made one or two projects but still find the charts a bit confusing, there'll be something here for you. One thing I'd really like to say is please don't ever think you have to keep up with anyone else. Crochet isn't a race. It doesn't matter whether you crochet every evening, only at weekends, or just manage half an hour and again with a brew. Go at your own pace, pause the videos whenever you need to, watch them again if you like. That's exactly what they're here for. So as this series grows, I'll also be sharing lots of tips that I've picked up over the years. Little things that make mosaic crochet easier. Ways of avoiding common mistakes. And plenty of hints that I wish somebody had told me when I first started. My aim is to make learning enjoyable, not overwhelming. Now, I'd really love this to become more than just a playlist. I'd like it to become a little community. So if you'd like to pop a comment below and tell me, where in the world are you watching from? Have you ever tried mosaic overlay crochet before? Or is this going to be your very first project? I genuinely do read the comments and I love hearing where everyone's watching from. If you enjoy the videos, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel. It really does help support what I do and lets YouTube know that people are enjoying the content as well. And don't forget to click the little notification bell so you'll know when the next lesson is available. Right then, let's get started. In the very next video, we're going to answer the question, what exactly is mosaic overlay crochet? I'll explain how it works, why it's become such a popular crochet technique, and why I think you're going to love it. Thank you for joining me. Take care and happy crocheting. I'll see you in the next lesson.